This video looks at using criteria in the development of our queries, specifically AND criteria and OR criteria. I'm still working in Access R2G-2 from the data files in Blackboard, and I'm going to go to the Create tab, to Query Design, and I want to create from my trips table. Okay. I'm going to expand this so that I can see all of the fields, and then I'm going to select the fields that I want to put into my query. So I'm going to use the trip name, the duration, the state abbreviation, and the category. So trip name, the duration, the state abbreviation, and the category. Okay, so I've identified the fields that I want in my query, and if I were to take a look right now, that is what I get, a list of all of our trips. Okay, but I want to put some criteria in here to narrow that down. And what I want to narrow it down by is, first I want to take a look at the trips that originated in Colorado. So criteria here is under the state abbreviation. It's going to be Colorado, so CO for that state abbreviation. And if we take a look now, here are all of our Colorado trips. Okay, but I'm going to apply an AND criteria. I want it to look at trips that originated in Colorado and are eco trips. Okay, so I'm telling it to find both. And when we take a look now, we can see there are just 3 of them that originate in Colorado and are eco trips. And we see that the duration on them was 7, 7, and 5. Okay. And let's add one more, and that's duration. Let's say we want only trips of 7 days or longer. So we go here in the criteria for duration, and greater than or equal to 7. And when we take a look now, it's been reduced to 2 trips that meet that criteria: Colorado, eco, 7. Okay. So that is using an AND. So we basically said that all 3 of these criteria needed to be met. We can also use an OR criteria. In this case, let's expand that to include adventure category type trips. So let's put adventure in here. And if we clicked right now and took a look, now we have eco and adventure, but notice we picked up some additional states and duration here. So something was missing. So let's go back. So we told it to find this and this and this, or to find just this. So we needed to replicate these first 2 pieces. So we need to enter the greater than or equal to 7, and we need to enter Colorado. Now we're telling it to find all of these criteria or all of these. And when we view again, now we can see we have 3 Colorado trips of 7 days or greater and that are eco or adventure. So that is using the AND criteria and the OR criteria in the development of our Access query.